Alright, let's get real about that old engine sitting under your hood. You might think it's still hanging in there, but trust me, there are some critical reasons you might want to pull the plug sooner rather than later. First up, catastrophic failure. We're talking about serious stuff. Cracked blocks, snap rods, bearings gone bad. When an engine breaks this badly, fixing it isn't just expensive, it's often impossible. Think of it like trying to rebuild a house on a crumbling foundation. Second, wear and tear. You might not notice it day to day, but over time, all that mileage adds up. Internal parts start grinding down, performance drops, your gas mileage tanks, and you're topping off oil every other week. If your engines become a noisy, unreliable money pit, it's time to reconsider what's really worth saving. Number 3, restoration or salvage. Say you're restoring a classic ride or parting out a car. Removing the engine is practically step 1. It opens up access for chassis repairs, suspension upgrades, or maybe even that modern powertrain swap you've been dreaming about. Fourth reason, emissions. Failing a smog check is bad enough, but if fixing the engine to meet standards would cost more than a replacement, that's a sign. Sometimes the greener move is a newer engine, or even going electric. And finally, safety. Old engines with hidden problems can seize up without warning, leave you stranded or worse. The peace of mind you get from knowing your powertrain is solid, that's priceless. So, if you're still hanging on to that old lump of iron, consider what you're really risking and what you might gain by moving on. Sometimes, letting go of the past is the best way to get your wheels rolling into the future.